Today I will be explaining you what can go wrong while overhauling motor. So we are going to overhaul this motor. So initially we put off the power, isolate, put warning notice, shut off the valves. Then we open this cover, check the color codes of the wire. You can see red, white and black, and the direction of rotation was this direction when it was running normally. So we open it for overhauling it. So we have removed the rotor, and this is a new bearing and this is the old bearing. So we use the heater to heat the bearing up and put the bearing on both the sides. We have assembled the bearing on the rotor. Next, this is the stator. So we check the stator condition, the coil and that, check the insulation, everything perfect, alright. So if there is a short circuit, you will come to know by using the multimeter. Now you put the rotor into place. Here one thing what can go wrong is, if you put it correctly by putting a mark, then the rotation will be correct. But in case by mistake the stator is turned and you put it, still you can assemble it correctly, but when you really put it on the system, it can rotate in the opposite direction. So you should be very careful about that. So this thing can go wrong. So what happened is, if you have assembled correctly with the same red, white and black and the rotor in the same position, then it will rotate the correct direction. But in case you put the rotor by mistake, the stator was turned, then it will rotate in opposite direction. And second thing is, in case you forget to put the marking on the wires and change the wiring, then again it will rotate in the opposite direction. So you should be very careful with respect to the direction of rotation, otherwise the pump will not work. So if you have any doubt regarding this, you can message me. Thank you.